Welcome to the REDATS channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clone TPMS sensors using the REDATS C-220 diagnostic tool. As an example, we'll use an original Opal sensor that got damaged while trying to unscrew the valve cap. Since the sensor has an integrated valve, we need to replace the whole unit with a new one. Let's start by opening the TPMS software. The device offers three ways to enter vehicle data. Auto VIN mode automatically identifies the vehicle once the interface is connected to the car. VIN scanner, pointing it at the VIN scans it and identifies the car automatically. Manual selection, entering the vehicle manually by car make, model and year. We'll use the third option because we don't have the car here with us, nor do we have its VIN. We start by selecting the car make. In our case, it's Opal. Now for the model, this sensor came from a Vectra. There's only one production year option available, so we select that. We confirm everything by pressing the Enter button at the bottom. To read the original sensor's data, place the device right against the sensor and press Activate. If the tire icon turns green, it means the sensor was read successfully. We now have the sensor data available. The ID number in hex format, which we can toggle to DEC, pressure in bar and PSI, frequency and temperature. To program the new sensor, switch to the Program tab at the top. Make sure the correct position is selected, front left, and select the Clone by Activation option. The ID matches, so we place the device against the new sensor, confirm with Yes, and wait a few seconds. Success, we hit OK, our cloned sensor is ready and good to go. Thanks to this procedure, there's no need to perform a sensor relearn on the car. Once installed, depending on the car model, the TPMS light on the dashboard will turn off either immediately or after driving a short distance. If you're interested in TPMS sensor programming or want to see what else you can do with this device, head over to our channel to find more videos featuring the REDATS C-220. Thank you for watching us today and see you in the next video. Bye.